Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, where we provide honest and in-depth reviews to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're taking a close look at the Shark PetPro Cordless Stick Vacuum with MultiFLEX, a model that promises to offer incredible cleaning performance while being light enough to handle without any fuss. If you've been hunting for a vacuum that combines powerful suction, pet hair cleaning, and convenient features, then stick with me as we explore whether this model lives up to the hype. The Shark PetPro Cordless Stick Vacuum, model UZ351H, is a lightweight yet powerful cleaning machine designed with pet owners in mind. One of its standout features is the HyperVelocity Accelerated Suction, which aims to provide superior suction power for cleaning all types of surfaces. It's built to tackle a variety of messes, from pet hair to embedded dirt in carpets and hard floors, with a performance that's hard to beat for a cordless stick. Speaking of performance, let's break down what you can expect in real-world use. The vacuum runs for up to 40 minutes in standard mode, which should be enough for most homes. Whether you're cleaning carpets, rugs, or hard floors, the vacuum's power fins brush roll continuously engages with the surface, ensuring deep cleaning contact. This brush roll is self-cleaning, meaning it effectively picks up pet hair without the usual tangles and hair wrap issues, a feature many pet owners will appreciate. The vacuum is also equipped with MultiFLEX technology, which allows it to bend, making it easier to reach under furniture and clean tricky areas like low-profile spaces or tight corners. When you're done, the MultiFLEX design also lets you store the vacuum in a freestanding position, saving space in your home. For above-floor cleaning, you can easily transform the Shark PetPro into a hand vacuum, perfect for stairs, upholstery, and even cleaning your car. The included Crevice tool and dusting brush further expand its versatility, making it ideal for a variety of surfaces and messes. Now, let's talk about usability and how it performs in everyday situations. First off, assembly is quick and straightforward. You can have it up and running in just a few minutes. Using it is a breeze. The vacuum's lightweight design makes it easy to handle, and the low-profile body shape means you can effortlessly glide under furniture and into tight spaces. I found it particularly handy for cleaning pet hair on both carpets and hard floors. No more worrying about hair getting caught in the brush roll. The lack of hair wrap is a huge advantage for those with furry friends. However, no product is perfect. While the vacuum excels in several areas, there are some drawbacks worth noting. The 40-minute runtime, although adequate for quick cleaning sessions, may not be enough for larger homes or extended cleaning marathons. If you have a bigger space or need to clean multiple rooms, you might find yourself needing to recharge halfway through. Additionally, while the self-cleaning brush roll is efficient, it doesn't completely eliminate the need for occasional maintenance. After using it on pet hair, I did need to check the brush roll for any buildup, though it's far less frequent than with other vacuums. On the plus side, the XL dust cup is a big win. It holds a decent amount of debris, and when it's time to empty it, the Clean Touch dirt ejector makes the task easier and cleaner than traditional designs. For those concerned about allergies, the HEPA filter ensures that fine dust and allergens are captured, making it a great option for sensitive individuals. When it comes to value for money, the Shark PetPro is positioned in the mid-range price bracket. It offers a good balance of features, especially for pet owners or people with smaller homes. The multi-surface cleaning ability, easy maneuverability, and useful attachments all contribute to its overall value. However, if you're comparing it to other high-end cordless vacuums, some models may offer longer battery life or slightly stronger suction at a higher price. But if you're looking for a vacuum that handles pet hair without the constant maintenance issues, this one is definitely worth considering. In terms of comparisons, if you're considering other vacuums in the same category, models like the Dyson V8 or the Taneco Pure One S11 are worth a look. While both have similar suction power and cordless convenience, the Shark PetPro stands out with its specialized pet hair features, including the self-cleaning brush roll and the MultiFLEX technology, which makes it easier to clean under furniture. On the other hand, the Dyson V8 has a slightly longer runtime, and the Taneco model offers smart features like app connectivity, but the Shark Pet Pro's focused design for pet owners could make it the better choice depending on your needs. When it comes to build quality, the Shark Pet Pro feels solid but not overly heavy. The plastics used throughout feel sturdy, and the construction is robust enough for daily use. The vacuum doesn't feel flimsy, and the connections between parts are secure, which bodes well for its durability over time. Maintenance is relatively simple. Cleaning the brush roll and emptying the dust cup is a quick process, and the HEPA filter is washable, which helps keep costs down in the long run. Customer support for Shark has generally been good, with quick response times and helpful representatives when issues arise. That said, this vacuum doesn't seem to have any recurring issues that would necessitate heavy after-sales service, so most users should be able to rely on it without any major concerns. In conclusion, the Shark Pet Pro Cordless Stick Vacuum is a versatile, powerful option for homes with pets or a mix of floor types. It delivers solid suction power, effective pet hair cleaning, and an array of practical features, all in a lightweight and easy-to-handle design. While it may not be perfect for very large homes with lots of cleaning to do, it excels in smaller spaces and for those who need a vacuum that handles pet hair without hassle. If you're in the market for a well-rounded cordless vacuum, the Shark Pet Pro offers excellent value with strong performance and thoughtful design tailored to pet owners and busy homes. Thanks for watching. You can find the link to this vacuum in the comments box below. If you have any questions or if you already own this vacuum, drop a comment and let us know your experience. Until next time, happy cleaning!